If you're wondering, is Waterfox better than Firefox? The honest answer is, it depends on what you're looking for. For most people, Firefox is the better browser, but if you want more customization and fewer built-in Mozilla services, Waterfox can be a great choice. In this video, I'll break it down in a simple way so you can decide which browser is right for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, let's look at the biggest difference: security updates. Firefox is known for fast, frequent security updates, which is a big reason it's trusted by so many users. Waterfox is based on Firefox, so it still follows the same general browser foundation, but updates may arrive a little later depending on the version and release cycle. If you want the latest protections as soon as they are available, Firefox usually has the advantage. Now let's talk about privacy. Both browsers are privacy-friendly, but they approach it a little differently. Firefox includes strong enhanced tracking protection and a lot of built-in privacy tools that help block trackers, cookies, and unwanted cross-site behavior. Waterfox also offers strong privacy, but it tends to include fewer Mozilla online integrations, which some users prefer. So if you want a browser with privacy features built in and a more mainstream support model, Firefox is excellent. If you want something a little leaner and more stripped down, Waterfox may appeal to you more. Performance is another area where people often ask questions. In reality, both browsers are very similar in everyday use. Since Waterfox is built from Firefox, the browsing experience, speed, and rendering are generally close. For things like opening tabs, loading websites, and general day-to-day browsing, you probably won't notice a huge difference. So performance alone usually should not be the main reason you choose one over the other. Extensions are also important. Firefox has full support for Firefox add-ons, which means you get access to the massive extension ecosystem that makes the browser so flexible. Waterfox also supports most Firefox add-ons, so in many cases you can still use the same tools, blockers, and productivity extensions. If you rely heavily on add-ons, both browsers can work well, but Firefox often has the safest and most predictable compatibility. When it comes to customization, Waterfox is often better for advanced users. It gives you a more traditional feel and can be appealing if you like adjusting browser behavior and making the interface feel more personal. Firefox is also customizable, but Waterfox tends to attract users who want a browser that feels a little less locked into Mozilla's default experience. If you like experimenting with settings and tailoring the browser to your workflow, Waterfox may be the better fit. Stability is another area where Firefox usually wins for most users. Firefox has a very mature development cycle, excellent testing, and a reputation for being a stable everyday browser. Waterfox is very good, but if you want the most polished experience with the broadest support and the least amount of friction, Firefox is usually the safer recommendation. So how do you choose? Use Firefox if you want the latest security updates, maximum website compatibility, the most stable experience, and the best support for modern web standards. Choose Waterfox if you prefer fewer built-in Mozilla services, enjoy customizing your browser, want a Firefox-based browser with a more traditional feel, and don't mind waiting a little longer for some updates. So, is Waterfox better than Firefox? For most people, no, Firefox is the better choice. But for advanced users and the privacy enthusiasts who want more control and a different browsing experience, Waterfox can absolutely be worth trying. My simple recommendation is this: if you want the best all-around browser, go with Firefox. If you want extra customization and a more traditional setup, try Waterfox. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next comparison video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.